guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look crazy right now, but this is a makeup look specifically for EDC. I know it is this weekend, so yeah, I had some time and I decided to film something. I wasn't sure what I was gonna film, but I decided to stick with purple tones and pinks, and I think it came out pretty good. I decided to keep it a little on the simple side, but also a little crazy for those of you that like that. And yeah, I hate blush, so that's why I keep looking at myself, because what the hell. For today's look, I used James Charles palette by Morphe. I know I have been using this palette non-stop, and I know the tea is hot between Tati and James Charles, but this palette means a lot to me because my friend Amanda gave it to me and it's bomb. I'm not gonna deny it. It's a good palette. Even if, you know, there's a lot going on right now, I won't stop using it. If you ask what do I think about this drama, honestly, I think more than anything I'm just disappointed in like the beauty community. Lately there's just been so much drama on social media and YouTube, and it just kind of discourages, you know, people from wanting to pursue this. But I'm gonna keep going, and I'm going to upload as much as I can. I'm still a very small channel, but I do this for fun and I love doing this. So yeah, there's always two sides to the story. I always look at it from both sides, and I did watch both videos. Honestly, I got nothing to say, but yeah, guys, remember I have bangs. They're kind of in the way of looking at the look, but if you are going to EDC, have a great time, be safe. If you want to learn how to get this look, then please keep on watching. Since I'm going to be using colorful eyeshadows today, I went in and primed with the NYX Jumbo pencil, and this is in the color Milk. I put that all over the lid and then I just smudged it. Going in with this hot pink, I'm going to go ahead and apply that in the crease, and this is going to act as my transition color, but not really because it's super bright. But you just want to focus that here in the crease. Using this brush, and it is called Crease Brush by e.l.f. Next, I'm taking this purple that's next to the hot pink, same brush. Just going to apply that a little lower than the pink. I kind of want to create a halo eye, so I'm going to be applying the purple in the inner corner as well as the outer corner. Taking the same brush and this darker purple right here. So same thing, outer corner, inner corner. To blend everything out nicely, I'm taking a Morphe E22 with nothing on it. I just want to blend the outer corners. For the center, I'm going to be applying this beautiful purple shimmer. I'm going to be applying some NYX Glitter Primer and that purple shade. I'm going to raise it slightly into the crease. Going to be creating kind of like a triangle-like shape. Off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and just do my face concealer, and on top of that I'm going to be applying Emmy lashes, and these are in the style Tapatía. Alright guys, I'm back. I know a lot has changed but here basically the lashes. Oh my god, these are so pretty and fluffy, and they flare out at the ends. Excuse the brows, they have not been done in months, but yeah, that's basically all I did. I put no eyeliner, just the lashes. And for my waterline, I used 24/7 Glide On Gel by Urban Decay. Details on what's on my face, I'm gonna just put that in the description box. Taking a Beauty Creations pencil brush in this dark purple, just going to apply that under my lash line. With the same brush, I'm taking the hot pink and I'm just going to apply that right under the purple to brighten it up a little bit. That same brush and the shade we put on the lid, I'm just going to apply that right in the center. And I'm also just going to bring it down. Not too much, but just a little bit. And that's what you should have so far. Gotta put the bangs back. My inner corner highlight. I knew I was missing something, I just didn't know what it was. Taking this shade right here, which is just a shimmer, and a Morphe E24. I'm going to just pop that color in the inner corner. The lightest pink in the palette with a big fluffy brush. I am going to just apply that to the cheeks like blush. Gonna be grabbing some purple and just applying that in the hollows of the cheek. And this is gonna be my purple contour, basically. For highlight, I'm taking the color Face in the palette and a Morphe 501. Of course we have to highlight. Hello. And don't be afraid to pack that shit on. Just pop some on your nose real quick. Cupid's bow. Alright, so here's kind of the fun part. I got some rhinestones from Michaels. These are bead landing and they already have adhesive on them, so it's going to be easier to apply. But yeah, so I'm just going to be randomly placing them places. Don't really know what I'm doing or what I'm going for, but I guess you'll see in the end. Alright, so I'm just kind of randomly placing these things. If you are going to EDC and you're going to be doing crazy looks like this, you want to make sure that you put on a little bit of eyelash glue at the bottom because you don't want these to fall off. Now just for my lips, I'm going to be mixing two colors. So first I'm going to be outlining with Kat Von D. So I'm going to be outlining with Suspiria, and then I'm going to be going in with Bauhaus on the center. Alright guys, this is the final look. It's so weird staring at myself because I don't do this on the daily, obviously, but yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this EDC makeup tutorial. I tried to keep it as simple as I can, but also a little crazy. I think this is a very EDC appropriate look right here. All you have to do is throw on some pasties and then walk out the door, you know? I'm sorry that I haven't been posting much, but school's kicking my ass. So of course school first, and then if I have the time I film. But thank you guys for the continual support that you guys give me. Before you leave, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.